History of Alibaba. Alibaba was started by Jack Ma in 1999 and has grown into a global e-commerce company that has changed the way people shop online. Starting with Alibaba.com, the biggest B2B marketplace in the world, the company added C2C and B2C marketplaces, logistics, payment systems, and cloud computing to its list of services. Alibaba is the biggest retailer and e-commerce company in the world. It will have sales of $1 trillion in 2021 and a large part of the market in China. Its marketing plans, which are known for being inclusive and creative, have been a big part of its success. Alibaba's marketing efforts, like the 11.11 Global Shopping Festival, use boldness, creativity, and personalized suggestions to appeal to a wide range of customers. Alibaba's world reach keeps growing because it has more than 1 billion active buyers and 10 million active sellers. Alibaba stays strong in the tough e-commerce market by focusing on new ideas and making sure customers are happy. Alibaba, target market. Alibaba is trying to reach a wide range of people and places around the world. Its consumer and business tools are used by people of many different ages, genders, and levels of income. Alibaba has a strong foothold in China and is now going global with a focus on emerging markets. Its target market cares most about ease, value, and a smooth shopping experience. Customer experience is improved by personalized features, easy checkout, and easy refunds. Alibaba's marketing efforts are made for specific groups of people. Its target market is made up of people who like to shop online and use new technologies, like optimizing for mobile and putting money into artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Alibaba's success comes from its ability to serve a wide range of customers while offering value and ease. Alibaba, marketing mix. Alibaba is one of the biggest e-commerce companies in the world, and its success can be related to its good marketing mix. The marketing mix is a group of different things that a company can use to change how customers act and reach its marketing goals. Alibaba's marketing mix is made up of four main parts: the goods, the price, the promotion, and the place. Product. Alibaba has a lot of different goods and services that both consumers and businesses can use. Its product line includes consumer-to-consumer, C2C, and business-to-consumer, B2C, marketplaces, logistics and payment tools, cloud computing, and more. Alibaba's products are made to meet the wants of a wide range of customers, with an emphasis on quality, price, and ease of use. Price. Alibaba's pricing approach is based on giving customers value and staying competitive in the market. Its prices are clear and competitive, and it focuses on giving consumers and businesses choices that are affordable. The company's pricing strategy also includes sales and discounts, like the 11.11 Global Shopping Festival, which happens every year and offers huge discounts on a wide range of goods. Promotion. Marketing efforts that are bold and new are a big part of how Alibaba promotes itself. The company's marketing is meant to be open and creative so that it can meet the wants of its wide range of customers. Its famous 11.11 Global Shopping Festival is a great example of how it promotes itself, with star endorsements, huge discounts, and a variety of other ways to get people interested. Place. Alibaba's place strategy is all about making its goods and services easy to get to. The company's online sites, like Taobao and Tmall, can be accessed from desktop computers and mobile devices. This makes it easy for customers to shop whenever and wherever they want. Alibaba's logistics platform also makes shipping and delivery easy and smooth, so customers' orders get to them quickly and easily. The marketing mix is a big part of why Alibaba is so successful in the e-commerce business. Focusing on new ideas and making sure customers are happy has made the company a major player in the global e-commerce market. Alibaba, marketing campaigns. Alibaba, a Chinese e-commerce giant, has run a lot of great marketing campaigns over the years. It has done this by coming up with new and creative ways to get customers interested. Because of these efforts, the company has become one of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world and is known as a leader in the field. Here are a few of the best marketing efforts that Alibaba has run. Double 11 Global Shopping Festival. Alibaba started this annual shopping event, also called Singles Day, in 2009. Since then, it has grown to become the biggest online shopping event in the world. The event has huge discounts, special offers, and star endorsements, and it has helped Alibaba and its merchants make a lot of money. Tmall Super Brand Day. In this marketing effort, brands on Alibaba's Tmall platform are promoted through a number of events. The events are meant to show off the goods of the brands and get people talking about them. Tmall Super Brand Day has helped increase sales and brand awareness for the businesses that took part. Alibaba Cloud's Simple is Best campaign. This marketing effort for the cloud computing division of Alibaba focuses on how easy and simple its services are to use. A number of videos and online ads are part of the campaign. They show the benefits of Alibaba Cloud, such as its ability to grow and its security features. Alibaba's new retail initiative. This marketing effort is all about Alibaba's plan for the future of shopping, which is to combine online and offline shopping. The program includes a number of different projects, such as the Hema supermarket chain, which uses technology to make shopping easier, and the Tao Cafe, which uses facial recognition technology to let customers order food. Alibaba's marketing campaigns have been successful at promoting the company's name and products, and they have helped the company become a leader in the e-commerce industry. The company's marketing methods are always getting better and bringing in more customers from all over the world. Can you now answer this question? What is the biggest B2B marketplace in the world started by Alibaba? A. Tmall. B. Taobao. C. Alibaba.com. D. Hema. Write the answers in the comment section below and see if you were correct. Alibaba. Marketing strategies. Alibaba is now a well-known name all over the world. Its success is due in large part to its original and creative marketing strategies. Here are the best marketing strategies that have helped Alibaba become one of the most valuable businesses in the world. Cross-promotions. Alibaba has teamed up with other businesses to offer cross-promotions. This has helped the company get more customers and make more money. The company has worked with brands like Starbucks and KFC to offer savings and deals that are only available through them. Content marketing. Alibaba uses content marketing to connect with its customers and raise knowledge of its brand. The company makes high-quality videos and blog posts that show off its goods and services. Artificial intelligence. Alibaba uses artificial intelligence to make the customer experience more personal and to make suggestions based on how customers act. The company's algorithms look at customer information to make suggestions and promotions that are more relevant to each customer. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has been used by Alibaba to promote its goods and services. The business has teamed up with influential people on social media sites like WeChat and Weibo to spread the word about its products and reach more people. Alipay. Alipay, Alibaba's digital bank, has become a popular way for customers in China and elsewhere to pay. The platform is easy to use and safe, and the company has used Alipay to offer savings and special deals that are only available to Alipay users. Augmented reality, AR. Alibaba has tried out virtual reality to improve the experience of its customers. Augmented reality-based games and apps have been made by the company so that customers can interact with goods and buy them in a fun and interesting way. Social commerce. Alibaba's platform now includes social commerce, which lets customers share and promote goods on social media sites. The business has also released Taobao Live, a social commerce platform that lets influencers sell goods to their followers in real time. Globalization. Alibaba's reach has grown beyond China. It now reaches customers all over the world through foreign platforms like AliExpress and Mall Global. The company has also put money into other businesses to grow its reach around the world. Customer service. Alibaba puts a lot of focus on customer service and offers many ways to get help, such as live chat, email, and phone support. Customers are loyal and trust the company more because of how much it cares about customer service. Alibaba has become one of the most valuable companies in the world thanks to how it markets itself. Focusing on creativity and new ideas has helped the company stay ahead of the competition and build a strong brand name. Alibaba's continued investments in technology, content marketing, and customer service will surely shape the future of e-commerce and set new standards for the industry. These marketing strategies have changed the world of e-commerce and set a new standard for companies that want to build a strong brand identity and a loyal customer base. Alibaba has used many new and creative ways to get customers interested and boost sales. Businesses that want to enter new markets and get more customers can learn from the company's commitment to globalization and its plans to grow beyond China. By investing in international platforms and working with local partners, companies can build a strong presence in new markets and reach a larger audience. Alibaba's marketing strategies have set a new standard for businesses that want to build a strong brand personality and connect with customers in new and creative ways. By using these tactics in their own marketing plans, marketers and new businesses can become leaders in their fields and find success in the competitive world of e-commerce.